Today we are overlooking Torrey Pines State Beach near La Jolla, California. In this next video, we're going to discuss private earthquake insurance versus the CEA, California Earthquake Authority. Another question we often receive is, what is the difference between CEA earthquake policy and one provided by a private carrier? The California Earthquake Authority, also known by the acronym CEA, was started by the California legislature in 1996 as a not-for-profit, publicly managed and privately funded entity. Because California law has mandated that any insurance carrier who sells homeowners insurance must also offer earthquake, and the reluctance to offer their own policy, they help form the CEA. So if you have homeowners insurance from one of the member companies, you'll get an offer to purchase quake coverage when you first bind your policy. Now, certainly having coverage from the CEA is better than nothing at all, and we can also offer the CEA policy as well. However, there are many benefits to a private earthquake policy. Most private carriers are A-rated and admitted. Having a California admitted carrier offers some additional protection via the California Insurance Guarantee Association, also known as CIGA. CIGA was created under California law to pay additional benefits or claims if a carrier should become insolvent. They average about $51 million a year in unpaid claims by insolvent carriers. Another benefit would be that a private carrier can pick and choose what risks they want to cover, meaning they may choose to write certain areas or limit their exposure in areas that are less prone to seismic activity, while the CEA is bound to take any risk that a member company insures. Now, probably the best reason to buy a private earthquake policy is that there are more deductible options and more coverage options. At the time of this video, the CEA does not cover pools, where some private carriers will offer up to $100,000 in coverage for a pool. Additional living expenses, which is money that could be used for things such as lodging should their home become uninhabitable, is available at limits much higher than the CEA offers. Most private carriers also have many deductible choices, from as low as 2% and 3% to as high as 25% and many in between. Choice is always a good thing for a customer. When considering earthquake insurance, it's important to simply have it, whether it's with the CEA or a private carrier. Not having any coverage could lead to financial ruin. The prudent choice is to get covered for what works best for you and your situation. Feel free to reach out to us with any additional questions or concerns you have. We're here to help. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.